Hey friends, if you encounter this issue where Windows 11 USB sound keeps playing, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process to fix it. So here's what you have to do. Search for Windows sound in the Windows search bar, or just like search for system sound and click on change system sounds. Now make sure that the power scheme is either Windows default or no sound. If it's no sound, then it's already fixed. If it's at Windows default, then you can scroll down to device connect and device disconnect. Okay, and then simply change these both or change both of these to none, and device disconnect, this one also, to none. Click on apply and then on OK. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.